After having two powerful, impactful days, I will end the session, with the story. Story of eagle. How many of you know story of eagle? The eagle has the longest lifespan of its species. It can live up to 70 years. But to reach this age, the eagle must make a very hard decision. In its 40s, due to the thick feathers, its whole heavy wings stick to its chest, making it difficult to fly. Its long and sharp beak becomes bent. Its long and flexible talons can no longer grab prey which serves as food. Then the eagle is left with only two options: to die or to undergo a painful process, which lasts 150 days. This process of change requires that the eagle fly to a mountain top and sit on its nest. There, the eagle pecks a rock until its beak is completely worn away. After waiting for its beak to renew, the eagle then plucks out of its own talons. When its new talons emerge, the eagle starts plucking its time-worn feathers. And after 5 months, the eagle takes its famous flight of rebirth and lives for 30 more years. Why is change needed? In order to survive, we have to periodically undergo a process of change and renewal. We sometimes need to jettison old memories, habits, and negative reflexes. Only when freed of past burdens can we take advantage of the opportunities of the present. Vision and expectations is set. We are ready now to fly very high with the positive energy, having spent 2 full days as car technology as a family. Now, it's time for a big thank you to all. Just come out of it. You reflect, we reflected. We had very impactful and very memorable days. And it's time for us to recognize and thank to all of us. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank all of our 4 directors who made this event very possible. And secondly, there are a lot of people involved in making this event very successful. Secondly, our MC, main coordinators, Vijaya and Rahul. Let's have a big round of applause for each of the people to make this successful. And Vinod from HR, who has coordinated very well independently for the coordination from end to end. Can we have a round of applause? And Ravi and team for music concert, which we enjoyed thoroughly with Ratna adding flavor to that. Pugar and team for variety program. Can we have a round of applause? Inmate of Shelter Home, who had performed a dance program for us. Can we have a round of applause? And Sidhu and Karthik for a quiz program, fantastic quiz program that they conducted and put together. And marketing, admin, HR, travel desk, system admin team members who had made this program possible. Can we have a round of applause for all the team members? And event management team, Showspace, for their fantastic effort and then put together all this kind of show, very brilliant show, and all the technicians, we give very big applause to them. And Green Park Hotel, management and staff, everybody. Last but not the least, one person who have championed and did this program, coordinating with all the people, all the stakeholders, and made this success is nothing but no other than Shobha. Let's invite Shobha on the stage. Maran. Let's invite Maran. She has tirelessly made all this effort to make this program successful. Let's give a big round of applause. And in fact, Shobha has completed 5 years of service. Since she is out of the system, she could not be part of the ceremony. We also take this opportunity to applaud her for the 5 years continuous service with us. Thank you, Shobha.
And I wish to open this too because I know what is inside. This is a lot of effort put in by many people. This is going to be a memorable one for me. I wish to thank Amula who has taken the efforts in creating this wonderful, memorable thumb impression, and this is something which I'll keep carrying wherever I go. Thank you, thank you. This is something which I love. I love everyone over here. Thank you.
Shubha, there are no words to explain the experience you have put us through in these 2 days. This is nothing short of spectacular, is what is the experience you have put us through. Every little detail. I mean, in the earlier years for the ALM, I used to be breathing down your neck on, have you done that, have you done this, have you done this. But in this ALM, myself or Ratna hardly spent any time at all. You completely managed the whole show. It is, if at all this ALM and Car Day is a success, it is exclusively because of you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for putting us through this great experience. I think at this time, it would be not, justice would not be served if I don't thank Karthi, I don't thank Vaidehi, if I don't thank Santosh, who were all behind the scenes and were making an enormous contribution in every single step of what it has to happen. Especially from the marketing side, I think Dinesh and Vijay, and also many people who contributed to make this event a success. Also Sidhu, who everybody has spent their time and energy and effort to make this event a success. I wouldn't be doing justice also if I don't compliment Showspace for really making this special kind of an effect and in such a grandeur which they brought into this whole scene. Thank you, Showspace. We like your work. Thank you all. Thank you for making this evening a wonderful evening, and also this 2 days very special. Once in a year we come together here to make ourselves connect to each other and to celebrate our victory and to also look with a lot of optimism and to get inspired for the future. That is the whole objective of this ALM, and I hope it is all served. Thank you all.
Behind the success of these 2 days, I wish to definitely mention 3 lieutenants. One, none other than Vaidehi, the second, Karthik, and the third, Girisan, who made this live streaming possible. Karthik, who made this technical sessions really possible. Vaidehi, who has put in hard efforts despite all her personal concerns. She has helped me out. There has been a lot and lots of team members. There have been many members behind each one of these lieutenants who have put in lots and lots of efforts to make this happen. We have raised our bars this year. Let's see how we can raise it next year on this ALM and Car Day. Nothing is impossible. Thank you.